Welcome to SydneyPaperFlowers. We're excited to introduce you our online school, Paper Pro Tutorials. Here you will find a wide range of digital templates and video tutorials designed to help you master the art of paper floristry. Whether you have some experience or just starting, purchase and download our digital templates to trace, cut, and create your own beautiful flowers. For a more guided experience, check out our video tutorials recorded in our art studio. These videos will show you how to craft stunning paper flowers from scratch, using whatever material suits you best, whether it be cardstock, designer papers, Italian crepe, Chinese papers, or even organza fabrics. Choose from a variety of flower types and enjoy learning from a comfort